Rocky cliffs, blue sea, white cities, dirty roads towards the sea, breathtaking sunsets, fishermen's towns, welcome to Puglia. From Milan to Puglia it's a long way, more than 10 hours of driving. But you can take a break at Punta di Ricci, the last long and straight coast of the Adriatic Sea. Perfect for relaxing, having dinner by the sea, and sleeping with fireflies. The next day the landscape changes. The sea meets the mountains of Gargano peninsula with its villages, where you can have lunch on the harbor. And its beaches to explore on the horseback. Beaches that soon become cliffs illuminated by the sunset, where we will spend the night lulled by the wind. A coffee overlooking the sea. Before leaving for a whole day of travel, the direction is the west coast of Puglia. The landscape changes again. Giving away to the flat land that leads to the ravines of the cliffs. Where the force of the Ionian Sea and its winds is immediately clear. Billowing ravines sat between cliffs that look like a lunar surface. Here, protected by an old tower, we will spend the night. Woke up to the warm sun and the voices of fishermen. Turn on again the legend of Piero and meet again the same voices of fishermen, but now in the port of Gallipoli and its fish market. In the summer, the famous city in southern Puglia is filled with people, crowding the narrow streets that were created in the past to disorient invaders. The blue sea and warm sun makes us travel again. Toward the crystalline beaches to enjoy a refreshing bath in the majesty of these places. The evening arrives early, with its threatening clouds from the sky. I've never had dinner in the rain before. Time to say goodbye to the sea and head towards Ostuni, the last stop of our journey.
Thank you so much, nice to meet you.
Ostuni, the white city, made up of narrow streets, the high small workshops of craftsmen who create unique objects with their expert hands. Perfect for some souvenirs. See you soon, Puglia! But before leaving, we have to celebrate a special event.
Ah, beh.